Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol sa balitang ito. Yan, ito po yung mga tatlong cryptocurrencies na kailangan daw po nating tutukan or bantayan na nagkakahalaga ng below $0.10. Yan, $0.10. Yan, or 10 cent. Yan, top 3 cryptocurrencies to watch below 10 cent or $0.10. At ayan, bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko lamang po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Ayan. Sabi rito ay the cryptocurrency market is currently undergoing a significant surge, attracting both experienced and novice investors alike. Kaya yan, nagkaka-interest yung mga baguhang mga investors at syempre yung mga may karanasan ng mga investor dito sa cryptocurrency market. While the more prominent players such as Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to make headlines with their impressive performances, there is a growing interest in more affordable alternatives for those seeking to commence their investment journey with a modest capital and the potential for substantial returns. Here are the top 3 cryptocurrencies priced below 10 cent or $0.10. Ayan. Pagdating po kasi kay Bitcoin at saka Ethereum ay mukhang napakamahal na po nila. Ayan, parang hindi raw afford ng mga maliliit lamang na mga investors. Kaya ayan, kung isa ka po sa mga small investors dyan ay narito po yung mga affordable na mga alternatives dito kay Bitcoin at saka kay Ethereum. Ayan, meron po tayong tatlo rito. Yan, top 3 cryptocurrencies under 10 cent or $0.10. Yan, number 1 ay si Kaspa. Yan po si Kaspa. Kaspa has recently garnered attention from investors seeking cost-effective opportunities. The asset has surged by over 2,094% throughout the last year. This is most following the 75% uptick in the last week. At press time, Kaspa was trading at $0.089423 with a 2.3% daily drop. Yan po si Kaspa. A significant indicator of Kaspa's increasing prominence is the surge in trading volume. This reached $114.9 million in the last 24 hours. It further represents a substantial 121.5% increase compared to the previous day. It signaled heightened market activity and growing confidence in the market. Yan, yung maganda raw na indicator dito kay Kaspa kung bakit siya nagkakaroon ng price surge or bakit siya umaangat ay dahil sa kanyang trading volume. Yan, lumago po kasi yung kanyang trading volume. Nitong nakalipas na 24 oras lamang ay ayan, naabot po niya yung kanyang trading volume na $114.9 million. Yan ang indicator natin kay Kaspa kung bakit ito ay kung bakit kailangan nating bantayan si Kaspa. Ayan, kasali siya sa top 3 na cryptocurrencies na yan, mura yung kanilang presyo. Kailangan nating bantayan. At yan, syempre, ang ating minamahal na si Shiba Inu. Yan, ang pumapangalawa naman dito na mura, napakamura yung kanyang presyo. At ayan, sabi dito ay Shiba Inu has been on a relatively bullish trajectory although it is currently experiencing a minor dip. The meme coin was trading at 50 digits 83.57, down by 2.85% in the past 24 hours. The cryptocurrency has still achieved an overall growth of 7.7% for the week. Despite this temporary setback, the trading volume remains elevated, increasing by 61.01% to $282,688,671 at the time of writing. Yan naman po yung performance ni Shiba Inu. Yan, makikita naman po natin yan, malalaman po natin yan kung pag i-check natin ang kanyang technical charts. Yan po yung pagbabago yung kanyang price performance based sa 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 14 days, 30 days at saka 1 year. Yan, itong 1 year ay bumagsak po siya ng negative 15.7%. Nitong nakalipas na 24 hours ay negative 3.4%. Pero nitong 30 days ay umangat po siya ng 21.2%. The sustained buying momentum suggests a solid foundation for Shiba Inu's ambitious goals. Therefore, it aids in keeping the project on track to potentially eliminate one more zero in the near future. Ayan. Nalalapit na raw na mag-delete or magbabawas ng isang zero si Shiba Inu. Kaya yan po ang mga dahilan kung bakit kailangan nating tutukan si Shiba Inu. Ayan, kaya at nakasali siya dito sa top 3 currencies to watch below Tencent. Yan naman po, pangatlo si Pepe. Ayan, si Pepe token. As meme coins gains popularity, Pepe coin has entered the spotlight. The asset was up by 1.3%, trading at 50 digits, $130 during writing. Pepe coin has witnessed a significant surge in trading volume, rising by 163.39% to $396.37 million. The market cap has also increased by 0.37% to $556.38 million. Ayan. Tumaas na rin. Ayan, nagsitaasan yung kanyang trading volume at saka yung kanyang market cap. Kaya maganda po yung kanyang performance, ipinapakitang performance. Kaya ayan, siya po ay ang kasali po siya sa pangatlo sa top 3 currencies to watch. Ayan, mukhang mas maganda pa yung kanyang performance dito kumpara kay Shiba Inu. Ayan, kitang-kita natin na halos green lahat yung kanyang mga percentage dito. Kaya, ayan, 30 days ay umakyat po siya ng 101.6%. Mataas po yung kanyang inakyat. With the anticipation of another bull run in early 2024, Pepe coin could serve as a strategic investment for those anticipating potential new highs in the near future. While major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to dominate the market, there is an undeniable allure to investing in lower price assets. Kaspa, Shiba Inu, and Pepe coin presents intriguing opportunities for investors looking to start small and potentially capitalize on unanticipated crypto market trends. As always, it is imperative for investors to conduct thorough research and consider the inherent risk associated with the cryptocurrency market before making an investment decisions. Ayan, may risk pa rin po. Maski recommended po ito ng mga kilalang news outlet. Ayan, ay kailangan pa rin natin na mag-conduct ng ating sariling research. Ayan, kasi may risk pa rin po ito. Hindi po kung sinabi ng isang kilalang news outlet na ito yung magandang mga altcoins na kung saan ay tayo ay posibleng kumita ng malaki, ay wag tayo kaagad maniniwala. Kailangan nating magkaroon ng sariling research muna natin. Research natin, yan, wag po tayo basta-basta papasok. Ayan, maliban na lamang kung talagang wala tayong pakialam kung maski nawala yung ating investment. Pero ayan po yung tatlo. Ang masasabi ko naman po dito ay okay naman po sila. Si Kaspa, ayan, Shiba Inu at saka si Pepe. Mga solid naman po yung kanilang mga foundations. Kaya hindi po sila basta-basta magko-collapse or magrarag pool. Kasi napatunayan na po sila at parang subok na yung kanilang katatagan bilang mga cryptocurrencies. At ang kagandahan po dito ay mabibili po natin sila sa mababang presyo. Yan, below 10 cents. At ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan, pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siyang magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.